Hey everyone, welcome back to For Car's Sake. So as you can see, today I'm wrapping the boot, and the way I've done it is separate the boot into two pieces, as once again this is just my first time doing it, and so far with my limited experience I have noticed that it's most very likely easier for me to do it as two separate pieces rather than trying to stretch the wrap all the way over to the top as well. But if I was to do it in one piece, I would definitely still do it this way, where I'll secure the vertical part of the boot first and then stretch the wrap over onto the flat area. The top of the boot was actually really simple. What I did was just start from the middle and then go out from there. Just make sure when you do cut your wrap to allow for that little corner that stretches out. If you don't allow for that, that would increase your chance of the wrap peeling when it gets hot, because there'll be quite a bit of tension on the wrap around the corner there. And right about here is when I realized I've made quite a serious mistake. As I wrapped above and below the number plate area, the wrap actually stretched in a slightly different rate, and also it mustn't have been flat as well as I wrapped across the top and the bottom, which caused the middle to bunch up quite a lot. And now thinking back, I can probably have pulled off, say, the top and then try and shrink the wrap back, but I actually decided it was just easier to cut it in the middle. And this side started well. As I went into the middle, these two pieces up and bottom stretched differently. So I ended up cutting in the middle here, which looks ugly as. And then for the life of me, couldn't get rid of all this wrinkles. Just this tiny little curvature along the way, and it's all scrunched up right here. And finally, as you can see, I've actually taped in a knifeless tape around the edge. And that way I can have the best edge possible along the body line. And now that I think back, I really should have started the wrap once again from the middle. With this piece, I reckon it might have actually been better if I didn't cut out that hole in the middle where the number plate goes, because then that way I wouldn't have as much of a problem with the narrow pieces stretching without me noticing. And as I went across, it's unlikely that I'll have all that extra wrap stuck in the middle like I did there as well. So yeah, I saved a little bit of wrap, but in the end it caused a cut right around where the Honda badge is, so it really wasn't quite worth it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch up with you on the next one. Cheers!